PuRuiKai Ultra-Thin Window Cleaning Robot. Effortless, sparkling clean windows. The PuRuiKai Ultra-Thin Window Cleaning Robot takes the hassle out of window cleaning, delivering sparkling results with minimal effort. This electric glass cleaning robot uses advanced technology to automatically clean windows, freeing you from the time-consuming and often dangerous task. Equipped with a remote control and safety features, the PuRuiKai is designed for safe and efficient cleaning of various glass surfaces in your home. Key features: ultra-thin design. The robot's slim profile allows it to access even hard-to-reach areas of your windows. Automatic cleaning. The robot intelligently navigates and cleans glass surfaces, ensuring comprehensive coverage. Remote control operation. Easily control the robot's cleaning path and settings with the included remote control. Safety first. Includes a safety rope to prevent the robot from falling, providing peace of mind during operation, especially on high-rise windows. Versatile cleaning. Suitable for various glass surfaces, making it a versatile cleaning solution for your home. Package contents: PuRuiKai Window Cleaning Robot, Power Cord Plus Adapter, Remote Control, 2 pairs of cleaning rings, 4-meter extension cord, Safety rope, 10 cleaning cloths. User manual English. After-sales warranty card. How to use. Startup delay. After turning on the robot, wait for approximately 20 seconds until the blue light stops flashing. This delay allows the robot to properly detect the glass surface before beginning its cleaning cycle. Safety rope. Always attach the safety rope when using the robot, especially when cleaning windows at higher elevations. This crucial safety measure prevents accidental falls. Mop preparation. For optimal cleaning performance, lightly spray some water on the edges of the cleaning mop before starting the cleaning process. This helps the mop glide smoothly and effectively remove dirt and grime. The PuRuiKai Window Cleaning Robot is a convenient and safe solution for maintaining sparkling clean windows. Its user-friendly design, remote control operation, and included safety features make window cleaning a breeze. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Smart Home Hub for more smart home tech reviews.